Hi guys, welcome to our channel Stuff About Tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to discuss answers on Indeed. Guys, if you ever ask any question to any company, then they will definitely answer you. If the answer will meet, whenever they will answer you, you will get the notification about that. If you missed that notification, then how will you see your answer? So you just don't need to confuse about that. You have to go on your profile icon, and then you have to go my reviews, and here you will see three suggestions, and then you have to go answers. Guys, all your answers will be show over here. I've asked these two questions, but these two questions didn't meet their guidelines. So if you asked any question and that question meet to their guideline, and they will answer you, will be show here in this portion. This is how to check answers on Indeed. Hope this video will be helpful for you. See you in the next one.